Hi guys, today we're looking at another new product from us, the CT1233 timing belt. My colleague Timo from the sales team is here to tell you all about the capabilities of the CT1233 and explain why it's the right choice for you. Hello Timo. Hi Stefan, you're quite right, the CT1233 really is a very special belt. It's been developed specifically to cater to the aftermarket requirements of the 2-liter engines in the Ford Transit and the Ford Tourneo. These vehicles are mostly used as delivery vans, meaning their belts have to work extremely hard at all times. For one thing, the vehicles are out on the road all day, so they cover huge mileages. There is also the constant stopping and starting, and the switches between urban traffic and out-of-town driving. Plus, as the experts among you will already know, the belts on these engines run in oil. That's great for reducing friction and increasing efficiency, meaning lower fuel consumption and CO2. On the other hand, though, it places greater requirements on the belt. Our CT1233 can handle all of this with ease, thanks to materials engineered for this exact purpose. In addition to this, it's already completed endless miles of testing on our test rigs, which are used to simulate far harsher conditions than those actually experienced later in day-to-day driving. The test rigs are located in the basement with our development colleagues. I'm telling you, it's a veritable torture chamber for belts down there. I can imagine. We are bringing out the CT1233 now, accompanied by the CT1234 for the oil pump drive. This will mean that mechanics are ideally prepared for the repairs required on these hard-working vehicles. And here's one more tip for you. With these belt-in oil engines, you should always pay close attention to the oil used, as it's important to follow the manufacturer's exact specifications. Thanks, Timo. I agree entirely with that last point. As usual, you can find all the key information about this belt in our PIC. See you next time in the workshop.